Welcome to this lesson on stem cells. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells with unlimited potential. They represent one of the most fascinating areas in biotechnology and modern medicine. These remarkable cells have the ability to develop into many different types of cells in the body, making them invaluable for research and medical treatments. So what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types in the body. Unlike specialized cells, such as muscle cells or nerve cells, stem cells have not yet taken on a specific role or function. This lack of specialization is what makes them so powerful and versatile in biological processes. Stem cells have two key characteristics that set them apart from other cells. First is self-renewal. This means stem cells can divide and replicate themselves indefinitely, creating more stem cells. Second is differentiation. Stem cells can transform into specialized cell types with specific functions. These two properties working together give stem cells their unique therapeutic potential and make them essential for growth, development, and repair in living organisms. There are two main types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are pluripotent cells found in early embryos. These cells have the greatest potential to become any cell type in the body. Adult stem cells, on the other hand, are found in various adult tissues throughout the body. They are more limited in what they can become, but play crucial roles in maintaining and repairing the tissues where they reside. Stem cells are classified by their potency, which refers to how many different cell types they can become. Totipotent cells can form an entire organism, including all embryonic and extraembryonic tissues. Pluripotent cells can form any cell type in the body, but not a complete organism. Multipotent cells are limited to related cell types within a specific tissue or organ system. Finally, unipotent cells can only produce one specific cell type, though they still maintain the ability to self-renew. Stem cells are found in various locations throughout the body. Bone marrow contains blood-forming stem cells, also called hematopoietic stem cells, which produce all types of blood cells. The brain contains neural stem cells that can generate nerve cells. Stem cells are also found in various other tissues, including skin, liver, and muscle. Each of these stem cell populations helps maintain and repair their respective tissues throughout our lives. Stem cells have numerous medical applications that are transforming healthcare. They are used in disease treatment by replacing damaged or diseased cells with healthy ones. In drug testing, stem cells provide a way to test new medications safely before human trials. Stem cell research helps scientists understand human development and disease progression. Finally, stem cells show great promise in regeneration medicine for tissue repair and healing of injuries that were previously considered permanent. To summarize, stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the extraordinary ability to become any specialized cell type in the body. Their unique properties of self-renewal and differentiation make them invaluable tools in medicine and research. As our understanding of stem cells continues to grow, they hold tremendous promise for treating diseases, repairing damaged tissues, and advancing our knowledge of human biology. The future of regenerative medicine depends largely on unlocking the full potential of these remarkable cells.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.